Huzur, you have migrated twice in your life, once from Qadian to Rabwah and once Rabwah to London. As far as migration to London is concerned, we know in detail, Huzur narrated in different programs many times. He wants to know a bit about your journey or migration from Qadian to Rabwah.
When from Qadian to Rabwah I migrated, it was under the orders of our father, Khalifa. He ordered me to return. But before that, we liked to serve the cause of Ahmadiyyat in Qadian so much that we never cared for our lives. In very dangerous areas we went alone, and to recce sometimes. I went on a motorcycle to a canal west of Qadian. The whole area was populated by the Sikh population. And once I remember, when I was returning after recce, 2 Sikhs were standing on either side of the canal bank with their staffs in their hands. They decided to attack me there and then and finish me there. So the only strategy which I found was that I aimed my motorcycle at one Sikh which was on my right. And as I aimed at him, he suddenly jumped back. And it gave me to make a quick turn and pass through. So those were very dangerous days. And with the grace of Allah, we never cared for our lives. Never even thought of ever escaping Qadian and leaving the Muhajirin alone. So at the end, my orders came from Lahore by Huzur Sahib, and it was so organized that after me there was to be the turn of Mirza Wasim Sahib, and then perhaps I was to return and he was to come to Lahore. But that didn't happen. It was so organized by Allah, so ordained, I should say, that I remained there and Mirza Wasim remained in Qadian.